This is the secret that experts use to revive diseased, wilted orchids. In today's video, I will reveal to you an extremely effective way to restore orchid roots, using only simple ingredients available right in your kitchen. With this method, weak orchids will quickly revive and continue to show off their brilliant colors in your garden. Let's get started. At first glance, this appears to be a healthy orchid. However, a closer look reveals that the stem has turned yellow due to mold, causing serious damage. Cut off the damaged leaf stalks to prevent the fungus from spreading to the healthy leaves above. Thus, we have retained the healthy, less diseased part of the plant. This is the important foundation for the plant to be able to develop into a healthy new shoot. This leaf stalk has been attacked by fungus, showing signs of softening and rotting, so it needs to be removed immediately to avoid spreading to other parts. This leaf stalk has been attacked by fungus, showing signs of softening and rotting, so it needs to be removed immediately to avoid spreading to other parts. For this root, we need to check carefully to see if it can still be saved, because the entire leaf and leaf stalk have completely rotted. If you are new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button to support me and so you don't miss any orchid care tips. It's great to have you along on this journey. The root part was invaded by mold, damaging the entire root system, no longer able to recover, so it was necessary to completely remove the lower part of the tree. With healthy leaves, we wash them under running water to completely remove dirt. This is an important step to clean the roots, while also creating favorable conditions for the plant to quickly adapt to the new environment. In addition to the English subtitles, you can use the automatic translation to your language to understand the content more easily. To subtitle in your language, open the video and click the gear icon settings in the automatic translation to select your preferred language. After washing, let it dry and we will move on to the step of antibacterial for the plant. I use 1 liter of clean water. I use baking soda to disinfect and sterilize plants and also to help stimulate healthy root growth. I mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 liter of water. This dosage is just enough to be safe and not harmful to the leaves. I poured baking soda into the water and soaked all the leaves and stems in water to help the plant resist fungus and bacteria from the inside. Soak orchid in baking soda water for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of soaking in baking soda solution, the orchid effectively increased its antibacterial and antifungal properties. Use a soft cotton pad to gently dry the entire leaf surface. This not only helps remove excess water, but also helps the leaves breathe, creating favorable conditions for the plant to recover and continue growing. The tree has been cleaned. The next step is to add nutrients to help the tree recover and grow quickly. I use aloe vera, a natural ingredient easily found in every household, with safe and benign nutrients, always bringing great benefits to the growth of orchids. Aloe vera contains many vitamins, trace minerals, and 23 essential amino acids, helping orchids grow healthily, stimulating roots, stems, leaves, and flowers. I will choose a large aloe vera leaf, completely remove the green skin, keeping only the nutrient-rich flesh to directly provide nutrition to the orchid. Use the aloe vera pulp to apply directly to orchid leaves to replenish moisture for the plant after a long period of water shortage. The nutrients in aloe vera will penetrate the leaf cells, helping the plant quickly regain the necessary moisture. Wipe both sides of the leaves and the base of the orchid evenly to help the nutrients in aloe vera penetrate the leaf cells, helping the plant quickly restore the necessary moisture. I prepared a clean glass jar and put all the processed aloe vera inside. What country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment to let me know. It's great that we can connect and chat with each other from all over the world. Next, I used oats. I added 2 tablespoons of oats, a nutritious ingredient with B vitamins, potassium and phosphorus, very useful in helping orchids recover and regenerate. Next, use 1 liter of boiled hot water to dissolve and activate the nutrients in the oats and aloe vera. Stir well to help these 2 nutrients dissolve together. Then cover tightly and incubate in a towel for about 1 hour to fully extract the nutrients. After the mixture cools, we will use it. After about 1 hour, when the aloe vera and oatmeal water has cooled completely, I stir well before use. We will filter out the residue to get the water. The aloe vera and oatmeal water will be used directly to care for orchids, provide nutrients and increase resistance. I poured a sufficient amount of aloe vera and oatmeal solution into a small cup for easy use. Then, use a soft cotton pad soaked in the solution. Gently wipe both sides of the leaves. This helps clean dirt, mold and insects, and directly adds nutrients through the leaves, helping to clear the stomata, increase photosynthesis, and stimulate the orchid to recover quickly. What orchid species are you growing, so that I can build an in-depth care guide video, specifically tailored to the characteristics and needs of that species? Choose a pot that is the right size for the plant. Place the orchid in the vase, adjusting so that the base is facing up and the leaves are placed at the bottom of the cup. Pour water up to the base, covering all the leaves, leaving the base alone. We will soak for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of soaking, the leaves have absorbed nutrients through the leaves. Use a soft cotton pad to gently dry the entire leaf surface. This action helps to completely remove any remaining water, limit the risk of fungal diseases, and create more airy conditions for the leaves. After processing and soaking the leaves, the next step is to soak the base of the orchid. Just submerge the base of the plant to help it absorb nutrients. Soak for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of soaking, when the orchid roots are lifted out, the nutrients have promptly penetrated into the plant tissue, helping the plant become greener and healthier. Using cinnamon powder to treat cuts is an effective natural remedy. Applying to cuts helps disinfect and prevent the penetration of fungi and bacteria into damaged plant tissues, thereby limiting the risk of rot and supporting tissue recovery after pruning. We will leave the tree for 1 day to let the wounds heal. The remaining nutrients we will take care of the plants in the garden. Method 1. I would dip a soft cotton ball in the aloe vera and oatmeal solution and gently wipe the leaves. This method helps clean the leaf surface, removing dust and pathogens that may be clinging to the leaves, while allowing nutrients from aloe vera and oats to be absorbed directly through the leaf epidermis. As a result, the leaves are not only greener, shinier and healthier, but their ability to photosynthesize is also enhanced. This helps the orchid recover faster and grow stronger. Method 2. I will put the aloe vera and oatmeal solution in a spray bottle and lightly spray it all over the stems, leaves, and lateral roots of other orchids in the garden. Spraying this way allows the plant to absorb nutrients directly through the leaves and lateral roots, while providing moisture and increased nutrition. Method 3. I will water directly to the orchid roots. By applying this way, the roots can absorb nutrients more gradually and ensure stable nutrition for the plant in a sustainable way. In particular, oatmeal helps plants become healthier, more resistant to pests and harsh environmental conditions, while aloe vera soothes and nourishes the leaves, making orchids greener, shinier, healthier, and more resistant to common plant diseases. You can see the roots are very strong after watering. Leaving the garden in a place with light sunlight helps the plant grow better. Next, use a bottleneck to cut a small notch on one side. Next, I prepared a piece of soft cotton. Cut it into a funnel shape and skillfully twisted it straight. Place the cotton pad into the neck of the bottle, press down gently to create a path, allowing water to seep back up from the bottom of the funnel, providing a steady supply to the plant. Then place in the middle of the glass jar. After 1 day, when the cuts on the roots have dried and healed, we will place the orchid in the middle of the bottleneck on a soft cotton pad. We will use clean filtered water to provide moisture for the plants. Pour water below the neck of the bottle so that the cotton will absorb water and supply it to the orchid roots. I use a perforated cup, which both helps to create ventilation for the plant and limits the penetration of pathogens and insects from the outside. Use small clamps to secure the pot lid while planting. Thus, we have created a favorable environment for the plant to form new roots. Place the plant in a place with soft light, helping the photosynthesis process to take place stably and the plant to grow healthier. After 1 month, our orchid has revived from a sick plant and is now healthy. As you can see now, the new roots have grown back nice and plump and healthy. A clear sign that the plant's vitality is returning with steady growth. As long as you continue to care for the plant regularly, you can expect to see beautiful blooms in the near future. Once the orchid starts to grow healthy, plump roots like this, it is the perfect time to move the plant to an outdoor growing environment, allowing it to grow faster and more steadily. The substrate used is treated pine bark. Choose large bark to line the bottom to increase ventilation and support stable root development. I will use a U-shaped iron bar to fix it, help the tree stabilize and grow upright. Place a thin layer of moss before placing the roots on to limit scratches and protect the roots. Place the tree in the center position. Let the large leaves lean lightly on the U-shaped bar as a support point. Then use a small clamp to fix it, helping the tree stand firmly during the growth process. Add a layer of moss on top of the roots, both to protect the roots and to help maintain stable humidity for the orchid pot without causing waterlogging. This is very useful for busy people or those who do not have much time to water the plants. So we have planted the tree in a new place to help the tree grow better. And don't forget to add nutrients from aloe vera combined with oats to promote faster plant growth. This solution should be watered directly into the root zone, regularly about every 2 weeks for optimal results. On alternate days, just use clean water and spray lightly to maintain ideal humidity for the plant, helping the orchid absorb well and limit waterlogging. So, I have shared with you the complete step-by-step process to revive an orchid that has wilted and completely lost its root system. What do you think about this method? Leave your thoughts in the comments section below so that everyone can learn and exchange ideas together. I hope this video will help you take better care of your orchids at home. If you find it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on upcoming simple and natural orchid care tips.